For adding a new key value pair inside a dictionary, we will simply type my dictionary and then square brackets, and then here we will specify key here. Let's say we want to specify, let's say it's like version 1, and we will specify the value like 1.1. Here we just specify this. Now this key value pair has been added. To see this, we will simply print over dictionary here, like this one, and to see the result in the terminal here, the new version has been added by using that key value pair. To remove a key value, we simply use del keyword and then specify that particular name of the key, and to see the result, we will simply print over dictionary here. Now that particular value will be removed from the dictionary. Now it has been removed from the list.